Hi guys, this is Jay with Inspired Designs with Jay, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am participating in a collaboration with Bree's Project Book and Creatively Miss Me. The collaboration is Spring is in the Air, and if you'd like to see how I put my tablescape together, please stay tuned. Okay guys, this is this beautiful Be Kind tablescape for Spring is in the Air, hosted by Creatively Miss Me and Bree's Project Book. And we were just asked to do something for spring, and I chose this beautiful bee motif that I got from Joann's. And you guys, this is absolutely stunning. I got it for Joann's. It was 60% off. Plus I had a coupon for 20% off my total purchase. And literally I stole this bee motif. It is so cute, so adorable. Let me show you a close-up of this beautiful napkin. Isn't that just absolutely stunning? Oh my gosh. And again, everything was 60% off with an additional 20% off coupon. And let's get into how I put this tablescape together. As you can see, 3 of the place settings are already complete. I picked up this placemat from the Dollar Tree. I thought it was a beautiful golden color. This yellow is my favorite color. Well, yellow period is my favorite color. And so I thought it was just absolutely stunning with the bees. And so next, I'm going to place the charger, and they're all kind of facing the same way with this little indentation right here, or pattern facing to the right. Place it as center as I can. So the next piece, I picked up these beautiful plates, heavy stoneware from the Disabled Veterans Thrift Store, and that goes next. Center as best I can. And then on top of that, this gorgeous bee napkin, stunning, always be kind, just love it. Beautiful colors, color scheme of my home. We're going to place that next. And then again, this beautiful bee plate in black and white. We're going to place that right on top of it, squaring it off. We're going to take our silverware and place it, knife closest to the plate, spoon on the outside, and fork is on the left always. Placing our glass, just getting everything all centered, and voila, that is our table, guys. That is just absolutely stunning. I'm going to give you a closer look in so you can see every setting. And that wraps up this video. It is my goal to inspire you to design your life with style. And happy spring tablescaping. Happy spring period. And also, you know, be safe, guys, with this beer flu going on. Wash your hands. And cover your face, your mouth and nose, and have a great day. See you in the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Have a great day.